Project 3. In the type column, apply a red border to the cell if the type is supplies. Okay, so it is a conditional formatting based on text. Right, so I'll just select the entire thing, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, text that contains supplies. And we have to keep only red border, nothing else. So red border. Create a table from the data in A12 to G57. So again, I'll just simply put a range here. A12 to G57. We'll select. I have to create a table. Add the alternative text vendor invoices July 2019 to the table. So whenever we have to add an alternative text, see here hint is also given. Right click on the table and press on alternative text. So here we can right click it, go to table, alternative text, and in the description, just simply type, did also type vendor invoices July 2019. So vendor invoices July 2019. Okay, now name the table July invoices. Name table name July underscore invoices. What is asking? Adjust the row height for rows 13 to 57 to 16 points. So 13 to 57. Go to home, format, row height. It is asking 16 points. That is also done. In the balance column, apply a green cell with dark green text if the balance is 0.00. So I'll select the entire range here for balance. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rule is equal to 0.00. I want it with green fill with dark green text. Okay. First, insert a column to the right of balance stated named status. So I'll just simply type here status. Since it's already a table, it will automatically pick up the formatting and everything. So you don't have to do that. Create a formula in the status column that will return overdue if the balance is greater than or equal to 1500. So here we need an if condition because it is giving us a condition here. We simply go equal to if this area, sorry, equal to if this thing is greater than or equal to 1500, 00, then give me overdue, or else it didn't say that we need anything else. So I'll just simply keep it blank. So for keeping it blank, just keep two apostrophes without any space. And done. So anything which is over, equal or above 1500 will give me overdue. Format the text in red if the result is overdue. Again, conditional formatting, select the entire range. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, text that contains overdue. Okay, whenever you are formatting a cell based on text, make sure all the um, uppercase or lowercase are correct because these are case sensitive here. And it only wants red text and nothing else. So, format the text in red. Yeah, it didn't ask for the highlighting cell. Format the text. Okay, this is done. Format all column headings to angle clockwise. So all my column headings will just simply go in the alignment section and angle clockwise. So project 3 is also done.